like an arrow. When you gonna give it up to me? Up then, up yeah. Come on, stop it up then, up yeah. So why can't you see we ought to be together, girl? Don't front on me. I just wanna be near, so don't have no fear. And let me see you bring your body right over here, because you should share it, girl. I care it, and I'm gonna give you love so clear. It's gonna make you shine, and once you are mine, we'll be rocking it until the end of time. But you're looking at me, I got me to say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? Because your body enticing me, making me want it. When you gonna give it up to me? When you gonna today, girl, then I must see tomorrow. When you fulfill my fantasy, because you know what, if you love it straight like an arrow. When you gonna give it up to me? But you're looking at me, I got me to say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? Because your body enticing me, making me want it. When you gonna give it up to me? When you gonna today, girl, then I must see tomorrow. When you fulfill my fantasy, because you know what, if you love it straight like an arrow. When you gonna give it up to me? Yeah, yeah. Yo, Shonda Fowler, you know we are not yo. Yeah, yo. The SP and we dey up on the go, yo. Sean Paul, Keisha Cole and Don Corleone. Our next chapter, yeah man, for all my girls, you know. Keep it, let's dance.
Hormatlı mehmanlar, oğlum oldu dediniz. Ödünün. Sağ salamatla varınızlar, üyü varlar, üyükenler, Akıbek Mırza Bey'le. Yılbaşıları olsun. Sizleri beğendik. Timur Kabayip oldu. Gittik